Let's make a digital data poster using Google Drawing. So as it says in the directions, we're going to make a copy of this document by going to File, Make a Copy. Then you need to choose a new title. You can say whatever you want. I'm just going to change it to My Digital Data Poster, and it will save into my drive. Notice it will load a new tab. And now you can change this however you want to. So in the directions says make copy of this document. We just did. Number 2, choose a title. Good. And copy for your copy and delete this orange box because now we want to make this our own. So we're going to wait a second to see all of these things pop up, and then we will delete our orange box. So our goal today is to just learn about data through thinking about ourselves. So all of these things are different types of data that you have about yourself. And we're just going to have fun making a poster with it. So the first step, I'm going to click on this box. When I see the 4-arrow compass, then I can press backspace and it will delete. These I can move wherever I want. Again, with the 4-arrow compass, if I highlight that area, and then I can drag it to different places. So maybe I want to take this rectangle and I find the 4, then I can drag it up a little bit, however you want to do it. Okay, so you can kind of make it your own. Maybe you will, oh, this had a text box on the inside. That's why it didn't bring this one too. So same way, I'm going to drag and drop it inside. Okay, then maybe I want to change the size. I could drag in and out from the corners. Anywhere that you see the blue squares on the edge will allow you to change the size, making it bigger or smaller. I could change the color. Up here where the fill is, I could change the background color. When I click on this one, I can drop down and see all these different options. When I double click on the font, it highlights it for me. And I could change it to any other new font to make it look like I like it. Maybe I want the writing to be a little bit bigger. So I can either double click inside a word, or I can hold and drag across and up to highlight it. I can make it bold or bigger if I want. Okay, so there's all sorts of fun different things that you could do. You could even insert a picture. We know that images are also examples of data. So if I go to images, search the web, maybe instead of typing out my favorite animal, I could search for one on the web. And there's a fun little zebra we could insert into our slide. And then I can use the corners to make it smaller so I can see other things on my poster too. Okay, and I can just go around clicking on each one, changing the size and the shapes, adding pictures, adding my name until you have a awesome, fun digital poster with all of your data and information. Have fun learning about data.